Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Stop using the SD card to prevent overwrites. First, insert the card into a proper card reader and connect to a healthy computer. Unstable hardware causes errors. Next, choose a read-only recovery tool like PhotoRec, Recuva, or TestDisk and configure it for a non-destructive scan. You do this because read-only scans avoid further damage while they map recoverable files. Once the scan starts, monitor read errors and pause if the card disconnects repeatedly. Once you have a stable connection, create a full disk image with DD or DDResQ and save it to a separate drive. You do this so every recovery attempt works on a copy, not the damaged card. Then run PhotoRec or TestDisk against that image to perform a deep, file-type-based scan that reconstructs lost files and directory structures. Make sure to filter results by extension, size, and timestamps to find the originals quickly. If you see many duplicates, prioritize highest quality versions, and after recovery, verify files open and are not corrupted. Open photos, play videos, and check documents. If the image approach failed, you can attempt a low-level format on a duplicate, then reimage to test whether logical errors were repaired, but only work on copies. If corruption persists or the card shows hardware faults, stop and consider a professional data recovery lab. Further DIY attempts risk permanent loss. Finally, replace the card and set up regular backups so you avoid this problem again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.